Okay, what we're looking at here is a base for a smoothie. Usually have this once a day for breakfast. This is 3 cups of blueberries and I don't know, about 4 to 6 inches of bitter melon. That's bitter melon there. You can buy it fresh or frozen. Basically a bowl full. That's how I measure it out. Just stuck it in there. Then you have English cucumber, and then we got apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar is good for blood sugar. If you take 2 tablespoons in a glass of water before a meal, it'll help keep your blood sugar level. At least that's what all the research shows. And then, yeah. So what I do is I blend this all up, add the apple cider vinegar as a preservative, but also for blood sugar. So I add maybe 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the base of this smoothie, and then keep it all in here in the fridge. So that's good enough for 3 or 4 days, depending on how much you use. Then I add ingredients to it once it's blended. Appetizing, isn't it? So like I say, store it in here in the fridge, and that's good for like 3 or 4 days. One ingredient I forgot for the base of my smoothie is, which I'm running out of, kale and spinach. A couple handfuls of kale and a couple handfuls of spinach. I add a scoop of veggie greens, 1/2 teaspoon of plant sterols, which are good for all kinds of things. Men, your prostate, good to help prevent prostate cancer, among other things. Just overall good stuff. And then 1 teaspoon of red beet juice powder. Not red beet powder, juice powder. If you get red beet powder, it's just beets ground up. If you get the juice powder, then it's, they juice it first, then they dehydrate it, and you get the powder. So the full benefit. Pumpkin seed protein powder. A couple tablespoons of this gives you 10 grams of protein, and it's overall good stuff. Zinc, magnesium. For men, it's also good for the prostate because it contains zinc. Take a couple of fish oil. I don't put this in the blender, but I do take this along with. And then olive oil. Extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. 2 tablespoons per smoothie. It's advisable, as per nutritional experts, to take 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with each meal. So you're taking 6 tablespoons a day of extra virgin olive oil. For your arteries, it's supposed to have chelation properties. It's supposed to help flush out your arteries. And we do need fats in our life. But we need the good fats, not the saturated, not the trans. And extra virgin olive oil is the best possible source for that. And last but not least, teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the primary things to help control blood sugar. There's been research on it. So then I blend all this up. There's stevia in the veggie greens, so that helps sweeten everything. Never add sugar to your smoothies. Only stevia, which you can buy in powder form almost everywhere now. Usually I want to just make this smoothie up. It does congeal a bit because it's full of fiber, so it gets pretty thick. So I usually add about 1/2 cup of low sodium V8 juice, which has all kinds of good stuff in it, including watercress, which is good for your DNA. Thank you. If you like this, please subscribe. Suggest any health issues you might have that you might want to know some natural solutions to, and give a like and subscribe, and thank you. Bye.